Welcome. Today in front of me HUAWEI Nova Y70 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open App Store Gallery or just App Gallery, and here in the search pool enter Ampere, and now we should get this application. That's why here tap to download application. Click here to allow. Tap to install and wait while application installing on your device. Now we can see the message that this application installed successfully. Tap here to open the app. Click OK. Yes, I agree. Pick close. On the lower down corner, tap to OK, and here we can see the information what our device temperature. In my case, that's 29 degrees. And also we can find here more information like the battery level, capacity, device voltage, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.